the reason you're learning conversation programming is because if you understand the mindset of people and exactly how they stop themselves from learning, from changing their opinion, from breaking stubborn, limiting beliefs, then you might be able to ask a easy question, tell a story that might completely change the way they think. If you don't understand it, then you might ask similar questions, but nothing changes. How does a person hold on to the way they think, the way they feel, even when there are evidences, even when there are things that should have helped them change their point of view, how do they continue to hold on? And if you understand that, I think then the other parts are easy. What question to ask, what story to tell, all of that is actually a very, 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 very easy thing to accomplish. What it is not a framework to memorize. And someone says this, ask this particular question, and it's definitely not a grammar class. So the whole idea of conversation programming is unconscious process. Every person who's holding on to something has a systematic, logical way to hold on to the way they think. And the more you understand that, the more you can help that person think differently.